Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. First of all, Happy New Year. This is first problem this year. Today's problem number 2610. Convert an array into a 2D array with conditions. You are given an integer array nums. You need to create a 2D array from nums satisfying the following conditions. The 2D array should contain only the elements of the array nums. Each row in the 2D array contains distinct integers. The number of rows in the 2D array should be minimal. Return the resulting array. If there are multiple answers, return any of them. Note that the 2D array can have a different number of elements on each row. So let's do it. First of all, what we should do, we must have unique elements in each row, and also we need to minimize the number of rows. If we must have unique numbers in each row, so if some number appears, for instance, 10 times, so we will have at least 10 rows, because each number will be on a separate row. So the minimum number of rows is the count of appearance, the maximum count of appearance some numbers. So what we can do, we can count the number of appearance of each numbers, and we'll fill rows, use one unique numbers for each row. When we can't fill a row, we finish it and return the result. So let's do it. First of all, we need to count the appearance of each number. Let's call it counts, and we can do it in Python using function counter from the package collections. Also, let's create an empty list result and return it. Now we need to fill rows. We will do it in infinite loop. So use loop while true, and let's create empty list for row and check each num in counts, and if counts num greater than 0, add it to the row. And also we need to decrement current number. After the loop, let's check if row is not empty, then we can append it to result. Otherwise, if row is empty, then we should break the loop, and it means that we used all numbers and copy them to a result variable. So let's check the tests. Test works. Submitted. It also works pretty efficient. This algorithm has time complexity of n because we first of all we count numbers in nums, and also in the loop we copy each number to the result variable, and also it has memory complexity also of n because the result variable contains the same numbers from nums. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.